In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear outside door handles on this Buick Encore. These are going to be located in the rear doors. Let's get into it. We're going to take this cover off. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get underneath here. Pop that up, out of the way. Using a 7mm socket, take this screw out. Pull that out. There's a cover right here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here. Just want to pop it up. Pop it out. There's just some tabs holding it in. Using a 7mm socket, take this screw out. Take that one out. And take a trim tool. Just go around the perimeter of the door panel. Just pop the clips out. Those are all popped. And just grab the door panel, you're gonna lift up. One of these clips popped off, so if you just pull this weather strip up, it's gonna go right there, just like that. You can put that weather strip back down. Push that in place. And disconnect the cable. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get under the clip here, pull that out, pull the ball end out. We'll disconnect the connector. Underneath, just push down on the tab. Slide the connector off and pull back on the vapor barrier. If you need to, you can use a utility knife just to cut some of the butyl tape. If you need to, you can always add some more butyl tape afterwards if it doesn't stick. That's good. Now reach in here, there's a connector right there. You're gonna push down on the top on the connector and disconnect it. Pull that out. We're gonna take this cap off on the side. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath, there's a tab on the top. Just get in there, push on that. Try to pop that out. Pull that out. Now grab the door handle. You want to pull it out, hold it out. Then with the T15 socket, there's a screw in here. You want to loosen this up. You're not going to take it out. Just loosen it. At one point, the handle, you can just let the handle go and try to take this cover off. If you have to, give it a couple more turns. Take that cover off and grab the handle, slide it outwards, and just pull it right out. Take the handle, push the connector through. Slide this in position. And then once you push that in, you're going to push it towards the center of the car. Just like that. So you're just going to have a little bit of movement. Take the cover, slide the cover on. And I'm just going to hold the handle a little bit while I tighten this down. And then eventually you can let go of the handle and just snug this up, not too tight. I'm going to take this cover, get that lined up, lock it down. And line the connector up and plug it in. Lock it down, take the vapor barrier and re-secure that. That's good. You want to slide the lock rod in place into the hole and have the top part of the door panel as close to the window as possible. And then you just want to push down. Might have to push it in a little. There we go. Make sure the pins line up. And just tap it in place. Now I take the screw, snug that down, take the cover, slide the bottom part of the cover on first, lock it down, and take this screw, get that started, snug it down, push down the cover, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.